welcome back to Corbin's 4x4 Adventure to another video. Remember to subscribe and thumbs up, comment if you want. On this one we're going to be doing a review of the Campanion hot water heater from BCF. It's not a paid review or anything, I'm doing it out of my heart, so if any of you buy one, you know the real stuff, not the YouTube videos of them saying it's top shit. So go ahead, we'll unpack from the box. I have pulled it out already just to make sure what's in there, but this is it on the ground here. It costed me, I think I paid $3.89 or something, but I think the normal price is about $4.99. That's it here, 3-year warranty as well. So let's see, we'll unbox it now and then we'll go ahead and we'll set it up. So I've gone ahead and unboxed it. Comes with a hose with the shower head. Got a owner's manual and a 12-volt plug. It goes into the machine somewhere. And this is the actual machine here. I'll just put it here for a second. We'll have a look at the front of it. So yeah, I'll go ahead. I've got a little gas bottle just over here from the Coleman one. And we'll put that in. I'll set it up now and then we'll turn it on and see how she works. But the overall design doesn't look too bad. Feels alright quality for now. Yeah, like I said, I'll set up the gas now and then we'll plug everything in and then we'll turn it on for you guys. So we're just setting it up now. Do have a little fuse here. I wonder if that's to go inside the front here. Ah, we've got one in there already. That's good. Sorry, you can't see me doing this, but that's down here. Just checking the fuse in here. So that's it there. That's on minimum at the moment. I'll stick the gas bottle in the back here. Stick that in. There she goes in. Should go in. There we go. You can also buy another adapter so you can connect up a bottle as well to here. I do have the adapter inside my Coleman cooker, so might even use that just so we're not using the little bottles. So here's the plug. About a, I don't know, 4 meter lead on it. It goes in here, plug it in here. That will go straight into the camper trailer down here. We've got that. We've got this. Trying to pull this out of the bag. This is the shower head, on and off. Connections don't feel too bad for now. So the water outlet goes in here. Connections feel alright, they're not the best. Tell you the truth. We'll see how it goes when we turn it on. Just gotta go grab the other one. So about that guys, I just had to go find the pump to put into the thing. So this is the pump here. Come with oil wire as well. We'll stick that in the bucket. Connect on this pump. Make sure all the connections on properly. Goes in there. Power on. Yep, we've got the power up there that you can see. We'll move the bucket a little bit. The camper trailer's a little high. So, I think you press start. I don't know if you can hear in the video there. But the flame's lit up now. So you got the flame up there. Not bad connections, none of them are leaking, which is good. There was a lot of reviews on the website saying they were leaking. So we've got no leaking yet. Temperature's starting to get hot, so we will turn that up a bit. We'll go up to, I don't know, halfway, see what that goes on to. We'll come down here, I'll show you quickly. I just got it in the bucket down here because I don't have a shower at the moment. So yeah, not bad flow either. You can see that on the video. Still no leakings, we're up to 38 degrees at the moment. Ooh, it's definitely hot. Definitely hot, which is good. So we're going up to 40 now. Let's see what it goes to. So we've got boiling water now. That's not bad. It got up to 42 degrees at the moment up there. 43 going up still. That's it there. You can probably see the steam coming off maybe, I don't know, but it is hot. So 45 degrees on the actual machine up the top here, which is good. I can't touch the water, that's how hot it is, so that turns the flame up and down. I suppose if you turn the flame down a bit, it's even better. Yeah, that's it there. Overall quality, I don't mind this. It's a lot better than the Coleman one I had. So I've turned the shower off here now at the moment, just to see what happens if any leakage come. She seems pretty good at the moment. Oh, there's no leakage in there, there's no water going down, so oh yeah, the gas turns off as well. The flame turns off when you turn that off. We've got a little magpie in here that have been feeding a bit. Visiting. So yeah, turn it back on here. Turn it on there and you can see that it lights up. You can see that on the video, I don't know, but up in the left hand corner you got ignition, which is pretty good. And yeah, she's still hot, I like it. Definitely good investment. So if any of you are watching this, like, subscribe, because I will do a lot more reviews on stuff that I buy. It's definitely good, this one. I would definitely buy it again. Turn that back down because 50 degrees is a little hot for me. So yeah, no leaking anywhere. The best thing about this one, I really like how you can turn the actual head off, because on my Coleman one I couldn't turn this head off, and I used 20 litres of water in about 5 minutes. So this one's definitely better, a lot better. So guys, thank you for watching. If you want to see more reviews on products, let me know. Leave in the comment if you want me to go buy something. I'll go do a review on it. We will be going camping again soon. We've just been really busy. Bought a house, so I've been doing that, and I am getting a new car soon. I've had a lot of trouble with the Navara. So yeah, like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching, guys.